Welcome to Sugosha Media News. Here are the top defense, aerospace, and strategic technology developments making headlines from India and around the world. India's defense and aerospace ecosystem witnessed another day of rapid innovation as EON Space Labs unveiled the indigenous Buho 75 infrared imager for drone detection. Tashi Network and Droneverse successfully demonstrated advanced drone swarm trials in Delhi. Indigenous UAV capabilities received a further boost, with DR-MGR Aerospace and Benz Technologies unveiling the Raven Reaper FPV drone, Spincraft Rajkot introducing domestically developed UAV propulsion engines, and IdeaForge completing hover trials of its Yeti cargo UAV ahead of full-scale flight testing. SSS Defense strengthened India's counter-drone capabilities by supplying indigenous T-12 shotguns to the army, while A1 Fence launched its FenSense smart perimeter intrusion detection system, highlighting continued advances in homeland security technologies. Strategic manufacturing and infrastructure gathered momentum as GRSE emerged the lowest bidder for Kolkata Port's 15-ton electric tug project. Astrobase Space installed India's largest metal 3D printer for rocket engine production. India inaugurated the world's first hydrogen production facility powered by nuclear reactor heat. Defense aviation also remained in focus, with Rolls-Royce announcing that 9 critical jet engine technologies for the AMCA fighter will be ready early next year. Dassault Aviation seeking an Indian partner for Rafale wing production, and Andhra Pradesh signing an MOU to establish a drone logistics network. Syrma SGS formed a joint venture with Kaga Electronics India. L3Harris secured German contracts for Falcon military radio systems. Rheinmetall partnered with GEC Terna on tactical land systems for Greece. Airbus and Kawasaki Heavy Industries signed an agreement to support Japan's Eurodrone program, while Thales and Tech announced a new industrial partnership to strengthen regional security capabilities. The news in detail. Hyderabad-based EON Space Labs has unveiled the Buho 75 IR Imager, an indigenous drone tracking system capable of detecting UAVs at ranges of up to 1 kilometer. The system integrates AI-driven real-time tracking, thermal imaging, and pan-tilt stabilization. The Buho 75 IR Imager is designed as a compact yet powerful surveillance payload. It employs a 640 by 5112 VOX microbolometer sensor to deliver high resolution thermal imaging, enabling operators to detect drones at 1000 meters and positively identify them at 110 meters. Tashi Network and Droneverse have successfully conducted one of India's most advanced drone swarm field trials in Delhi, showcasing edge native autonomous coordination that allows missions to continue even under jamming, connectivity loss, or battery constraints. The joint trial was executed over a comprehensive 72-hour operational evaluation window. During this period, scalable multi aircraft autonomous tactical cells were deployed to secure a simulated contested perimeter of 20,000 square meters. The swarm infrastructure was tested across two high stakes environments. In the first, multi role tactical drones carried out a coordinated find, fix, finish mission over a predefined perimeter. Surveillance drones searched for targets, reconnaissance drones relayed information, and once human authorization was granted, the swarm autonomously completed the mission. In the second scenario, a simulated search and rescue operation was conducted. When one drone returned to base due to low battery, the remaining drones instantly redistributed the workload, ensuring uninterrupted coverage of the designated area. Chennai-based MGR Aerospace and Benz Technologies have unveiled the Raven Reaper, a new FPV drone designed for tactical applications, marking a significant step in India's indigenous unmanned systems development. The Raven Reaper has been jointly developed by MGR Aerospace, a Chennai-based venture with strong academic backing from Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, and Benz Technologies, a technology partner with expertise in drone systems. The drone is designed as a first person view system, enabling operators to conduct precision missions with real time situational awareness. FPV drones are increasingly valued for their agility, low cost, and ability to deliver payloads in contested environments. The Raven Reaper reflects this trend, offering a modular design that can be adapted for surveillance, reconnaissance, or precision strike roles. The platform is expected to feature encrypted communication links, autonomous flight modes, and swappable payloads. These attributes make it suitable for both military and paramilitary operations, where flexibility and rapid deployment are critical. Its design philosophy mirrors global developments in FPV combat drones, which have proven effective in modern conflicts due to their maneuverability and cost efficiency. Rajkot-based Spincraft Powertrain Limited has embarked on the development of indigenous drone engines, positioning itself as a key player in India's growing UAV propulsion ecosystem. Established in 2025, the company is leveraging advanced simulation to production capabilities to deliver high performance, lightweight internal combustion engines tailored for unmanned aerial vehicles. Spincraft has built a fully integrated ecosystem that combines computational fluid dynamics, CAD modeling, and finite element analysis with precision manufacturing. This approach allows the company to conceptualize, test, and manufacture complex powertrains entirely in house, significantly reducing prototyping timelines and ensuring reliability in field conditions. By employing industry standard tools such as Converge, GT Suite, SolidWorks, and ANSYS, Spincraft optimizes fuel injection, combustion cycles, and structural integrity long before physical components are produced. The company's drone engines are designed to meet the demanding requirements of surveillance, logistics, and tactical UAVs. Lightweight construction, high power to weight ratios, and ruggedized performance are central to their design philosophy. These engines are being developed to cater to drones across multiple weight categories, from small quadcopters to larger fixed wing UAVs, ensuring scalability and versatility. Triple S Defense's T-12 semi-automatic shotgun has now been inducted in the Indian Army's Northern Command as a frontline counter-drone weapon specifically designed to neutralize FPV drones and low-flying UAVs at ranges up to 90 meters. The weapon is chambered in 12-gauge, is semi-automatic and gas-operated, and accepts 5 or 10 round magazines. It has been tested extensively in field evaluations where it successfully engaged drone targets at distances of up to 90 meters, a range critical for frontline trench and patrol defense. Mumbai-based A1 Fence has unveiled a cutting-edge fence detection system known as FenSense. The system has been designed to provide advanced perimeter security by integrating intelligent sensing technologies with robust fencing solutions. It represents a significant step forward in the field of border and infrastructure protection, offering a blend of mechanical strength and electronic surveillance. FenSense operates by embedding smart sensors directly into the fencing structure. These sensors are capable of detecting vibrations, pressure changes, and attempts at tampering or intrusion. The system is engineered to differentiate between environmental disturbances and genuine intrusion attempts, thereby reducing false alarms and enhancing reliability. The detection mechanism is supported by real time monitoring capabilities. FenSense can be linked to a central command center where alerts are transmitted instantly upon detection of suspicious activity. This ensures that security personnel can respond rapidly to potential breaches, improving overall situational awareness. A1 Fence has emphasized that FenSense is scalable and adaptable to different environments. It can be deployed along international borders, critical infrastructure sites, industrial complexes, and private estates. The modular design allows integration with existing fencing systems, making it suitable for both new installations and retrofitting projects. The system also incorporates artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze sensor data. Mumbai-based IdeaForge has successfully completed hover trials of its heavy-lift cargo UAV Yeti, with full-scale flight testing set to follow. The Yeti UAV is designed to carry payloads of up to 200 kilograms, positioning it as a transformative solution for military logistics. The hover trials validated its ability to lift and stabilize heavy loads, a prerequisite before advancing to extend flight missions. The next stage will involve rigorous testing across varied terrain and altitude profiles to demonstrate operational readiness. The drone features a distributed VTOL architecture with multiple redundant motors, ensuring stability and safety even under asymmetric load conditions. Its design allows it to operate from compact landing zones, making it suitable for deployment in forward areas where conventional aircraft cannot land. With a cruise speed exceeding 110 kilometers per hour and tolerance for strong winds, Yeti is engineered to perform in demanding environments. GRSE has emerged as the lowest bidder for the construction and delivery of a 15-ton bollard pull electric tug for Syrma Prasad Mukherjee Port in Kolkata. The proposed electric tug will measure 25 meters in length with a beam of 8 meters. It will be powered entirely by battery-based propulsion systems designed to deliver a static ahead bollard pull of 15 tons. The vessel will primarily be deployed for harbor assistance and towing operations, offering a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to conventional diesel powered tugs. According to GRSE, the tug will have an endurance of 2 hours of continuous operation and achieve a maximum speed of 9 knots. It will be constructed in compliance with the International Association of Classification Societies standards, ensuring adherence to global benchmarks for safety, reliability, and performance. Aerospace Space Technologies has operationalized India's largest industrial metal 3D printer at its Bangalore facility, marking a decisive step in the country's private space sector. The massive system, transported in 4 trucks, is designed to manufacture multiple full flow staged combustion rocket engines annually, each capable of delivering 80 tons of thrust. Aerospace Space, founded in 2024, has now established industrial scale additive manufacturing capabilities that place it at the forefront of India's emerging commercial space ecosystem. The installation of this large format metal 3D printer represents the company's first such capability. The equipment is equipped specifically tailored to produce the core components of its 800 kilonewton liquid oxygen methane FFSC engine, a propulsion architecture regarded globally as one of the most efficient and technically challenging. The FFSC cycle, often described as the holy grail of rocket propulsion, is operationally mastered by only a handful of companies worldwide. By adopting this architecture, Astrobase aims to bypass traditional manufacturing constraints and accelerate the development of reusable, high performance propulsion systems. The Department of Atomic Energy (DAE) inaugurated the world's first hydrogen production facility based on the copper chlorine thermochemical cycle utilizing nuclear process using heat generated from the fast test reactor at the Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research in Tamil Nadu's Kalpakam. The facility has been established as a technology demonstrator to validate the production of hydrogen using nuclear energy through the CuCi thermochemical process developed indigenously by BRC in Mumbai. The successful integration of nuclear process heat with hydrogen generation marks a pioneering technological breakthrough and opens a promising pathway for large scale carbon free hydrogen production using advanced nuclear reactors. Regarded as a key energy carrier for the future, hydrogen is expected to play a pivotal role in the global transition towards clean and sustainable energy systems. Rolls-Royce has shared new updates on its foundational work in India for a proposed 120 kilonewton class fighter engine. The power plant is aimed at the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program. The company highlighted that substantial strides have already been made in creating the essential technologies required for the core of this advanced engine. Discussing the firm's ongoing collaboration with India, Mukundan, Executive Vice President at Rolls-Royce, explained that their future engine strategy is built upon nine vital technological components. These elements form the bedrock of any modern high performance military turbofan. Two of these crucial components have already been developed locally in India. Furthermore, more work on five more parts is currently in progress, with completion anticipated by the final quarter of 2026. The development of the final remaining technologies is on track. All nine foundational components are projected to be finalized by the end of the first quarter of next year. Reaching this milestone will clear the path for the creation and testing of the engine core, which is widely considered one of the most demanding stages in building an advanced combat aircraft engine. While much of the public focus has been on the rivalry between Rolls-Royce and Safran for the AMCA project, this technological progress shows that serious efforts are already underway to minimize future technical risks and speed up the development process. Dassault Aviation is actively scouting for an Indian partner to locally manufacture the wings of Rafale fighter jets. The initiative follows the ongoing fuselage production partnership with Thales and signals Dassault's intent to broaden industrial participation under the Make in India framework. Dassault Aviation has already signed four production transfer agreements with Thales to produce Rafale fuselages in Hyderabad. This marks the first time Rafale fuselages are being built outside France, with production expected to begin in 2028. Airbound, a Bangalore-based aerospace company, has signed an MOU with AP Drone Corporation for developing a scalable drone delivery network across the Amravati capital region. As part of the proposed Amravati capital region drone delivery network, Airbound will work with stakeholders across various sectors to enable drone operations connecting Amravati, Vijayawada, and Guntur. Syrma SGS has entered into a joint venture agreement with Japan-based Kaga Electronics India to establish, develop and operate a technologically advanced electronics manufacturing service facility in India. The proposed joint venture will be owned 60% by Syrma SGS and 40% by Kaga, targeting Japanese customers and strengthening the company's manufacturing capabilities in the electronics sector. The key details of this joint venture are: Syrma SGS and Kaga Electronics have entered into a binding agreement to establish a joint venture company. The JV will focus on setting up and operating a technologically advanced EMS manufacturing facility in India, with Syrma holding 60% of the equity share capital. The JV will specifically target Japanese customers seeking manufacturing capabilities in India. The board of the JV will consist of four directors, with each partner nominating two directors. The agreement includes customary rights in relating to share transfers, right of first refusal, reserved matters, funding provisions, and future right issues. Additional equity issuances will be based on fair market evaluation and applicable legal requirements. In the global news, L3 Harris Technologies has received a foreign military sales contract to provide its proprietary Falcon tactical radio systems to Germany. The Falcon product line consists of multiple handheld devices, manpack equipment, vehicular and airborne transceivers, and power amplifiers, offering secure multi-band capabilities to maintain voice and data exchange across various domains. The order supports the NATO countries' ongoing digitalization land-based operations program, which seeks emerging solutions to bolster the German Armed Forces mobile command and control network. The package will also be used by special operational units. The radio will be shipped to Berlin later this year, with services including in-region expertise. Rheinmetall and Athens-based GEC Turner have signed a long-term strategic framework agreement to support land systems for the Hellenic Armed Forces. The move builds on a memorandum of understanding signed in late 2025 to expand cooperation between the firms, leveraging the German company's land and defense portfolio and GEC Turner's expertise in infrastructure, energy, and industrial efforts across southeastern Europe. The collaboration aims to deliver new tactical equipment while upgrading existing platforms. It will also reinforce the NATO countries' industrial capacity by developing indigenous manufacturing, system integration, sustainment, and life cycle assistance for related military technologies. A key element of the cooperation is utilizing industrial capabilities with Hellenic armed force facilities, with small and medium sized Greek enterprises expected to play a role in production and sustainment activities. Airbus has signed a memorandum of understanding with Kawasaki Heavy Industries. Under the MOU, Airbus, in cooperation with Kawasaki Industries, will analyze opportunities to work on a Japanese anti submarine warfare variant of the U-950 Eurodrone, Europe's first large, long endurance remotely piloted aircraft system. Japan has held observer status in the Eurodrone program since 2023. The Eurodrone is ideally suited for countries like Japan that need to monitor large maritime areas. Compared to its nearest competitor, Eurodrone has very long flight endurances and can fly with much more mission payload, including sonobuoys and torpedoes for anti-submarine warfare. With Eurodrone, Japan could complement its current crewed anti-submarine warfare fleet with a very efficient uncrewed platform and strengthen its maritime security in a sovereign and sustainable manner. In the next step, Airbus will engage in discussions with Kawasaki Heavy Industries to develop options for the design, development, and commercialization for a future Japanese maritime version of Eurodrone, including the definition of possible configurations, integration of Japanese sensors and effectors, and other potential workshare for Japanese industry during production and sustainment. Thales and Bhutek announced industrial partnership to advance regional security. Through this collaboration, Thales will share its manufacturing expertise with Bhutek, while Bhutek will contribute its software and integration capabilities. Founded in 2019, Bhutek develops digital systems for command control communication, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance on the modern battlefield, aiming to connect existing and next generation platforms to improve operational speed and efficiency while reducing cost. The partnership's goal is to deliver interoperable solutions that bridge multi domain operations and create skilled jobs with Armenia. Butek is an Armenian defense technology company providing advanced C2, C4 ISR digital solutions that integrate existing and next generation systems into network enabled battlefield management platforms. Butek's solutions create a comprehensive common operational picture, enabling multi-domain operations and supporting faster, more efficient, and better informed mission execution. A quick wrap of today's news. India's defense and aerospace sector witnessed significant progress, with EON Space Labs developing indigenous Buho 75 infrared imager, a successful drone swarm trials by Tashi and Droneverse, and unveiling of the Raven Reaper FPV drone alongside indigenous UAV engines by Spincraft Rajkot. IdeaForge advanced its Yeti cargo UAV through successful hover trials. A1 Funds introduced their FenSense smart fence detection systems. GRSE emerged the lowest bidder for Kolkata Port's electric tug project. Aerospace Space installed India's largest metal 3D printer for rocket engines, and India inaugurated the world's first nuclear heat-based hydrogen production facility. Rolls-Royce confirming progress on critical AMCA engine technologies, Dassault seeking an Indian partner for Rafale wing production, and Andhra Pradesh launching a drone logistics initiative. Major international collaborations involving Airbus, Thales, Rheinmetall, L3 Harris, Syrma, SGS underscored continued momentum in global defense partnerships, advanced manufacturing, secure communications, and next generation military technologies. At Sugosha Media, we simplify complexity, from decoding defense policies to enabling market entry and structuring offsets. We help organizations move from strategy to execution in India's aerospace and defense ecosystem. Follow Sugosha Advisory on LinkedIn to stay updated and be part of the conversation shaping the future. Our focus is clear, turning regulatory understanding into business outcomes. We look forward to partnering in shaping the next phase of growth in this sector. Thank you.